Leveling surveyors play a crucial role in the field of land surveying, ensuring accurate measurements and elevations for various construction and development projects. One such experienced and skilled leveling surveyor is Ram Puri. With years of experience in the industry, Ram Puri has established himself as a reputable professional in the field. Ram Puri's expertise lies in conducting precise and meticulous leveling surveys, utilizing advanced equipment and techniques to obtain accurate measurements. He understands the importance of maintaining accuracy in leveling surveys, as even the slightest error can have significant consequences for construction projects. Ram Puri's attention to detail and commitment to delivering accurate results make him a trusted choice for clients seeking reliable surveying services. In addition to his technical skills, Ram Puri also possesses excellent project management abilities. He understands the importance of effective communication and coordination with clients, contractors, and other stakeholders involved in the project. By maintaining clear communication channels, Ram Puri ensures that all parties are informed about the progress of the leveling survey and any potential challenges that may arise. He is well versed in SCON design, which involves creating detailed plans and drawings for construction projects. SCON design is an essential aspect of the construction process, as it provides a visual representation of the proposed structure, including its dimensions, materials, and overall aesthetic. From conducting accurate leveling surveys to preparing detailed SCON designs, Ram Puri ensures that all aspects of the project are meticulously planned and executed. Whether it is a small-scale residential project or a large-scale commercial development, Ram Puri's expertise as a leveling surveyor and SCON designer enables him to deliver exceptional results. Land surveyors that specialize in leveling ensure precise measurements and elevations for a variety of construction and development projects. Ram Puri is one such qualified and knowledgeable leveling surveyor. Ram Puri has established himself as a respected expert in the field thanks to his years of experience in the field. Ram Puri's area of expertise is conducting detailed leveling surveys with the use of cutting-edge tools and methods to achieve precise measurements. He is aware of how crucial accuracy is in leveling surveys and how even a small mistake may have a big impact on construction projects. Ram Puri is a dependable option for clients looking for trustworthy surveying services due to his attention to detail and dedication to giving precise results. Ram Puri not only has strong technical talents, but also has excellent project management skills. He is aware of how crucial it is to coordinate and communicate effectively with clients, vendors, and other project stakeholders. Ram Puri makes sure that all stakeholders are informed about the leveling survey's progress and any potential difficulties by maintaining open lines of contact. The knowledge of Ram Puri